Maanshan Daji Machine Corporation Limited is located at Bawang Economic Development Zone, Maanshan of Steel City. It's professional, engaged in sheet metal and ventilation machine research and sales, like square duct autoline, spiral duct forming machine, plasma cutting machine, CNC angel steel flange production line, TDF, TDC Pittsburgh roll forming machine, bending machine, shearing machine, and other related machines to ductwork equipment, and devices are widely adopted in the professional production field, like duct, decoration, machinery, aviation, etc. The product quality remains in a high level stably. Daji Machine adheres to technology-leading strategy, aims at being the top-tier supplier of machinery and solution in the world, and persists in innovation. With years of exploration and effort, R&D group oriented by Technology Center is established step by step, which contains many domestic and international professionals who work in the departments of development, market, and after-sale to offer best solutions to customers. And also we accept customers' OEM design orders. Our products have been sold to the United States, Mexico, Chile, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Africa, and other parts of the world. The products have won unanimous praise from customers. Daji Machine places much value on quality, timely delivery, and quick service. Holding the motto of quality coming first, credit standing paramountcy, we sincerely welcome friends, both at home and abroad, for cooperation and mutual development.